Hi, I'm Heather from Parkway Sleep, and this is the F30i Hybrid Full Face Mask by Resmed. And this is what you've chosen for your therapy. This mask is made up of 3 parts. It's got the cushion, the silicone frame system, and the headgear. This mask disconnects like so that way you can get to that cushion. And then you'll just pop it back in like so, and there's only one way it can go. This mask does come with magnets, so it is not suggested for use for patients with medical implants such as pacemakers. This mask, being a hybrid mask, goes under your nose and over your mouth. In order to make sure you're getting a good fit, you need to make sure that the bow right here fits snugly but not too tight against the edge of your nostrils, as well as making sure that the holes line up so you can breathe properly. If you open your mouth, you want to make sure that when you open your mouth, your lip does not go below this. It should still sit nicely right here between your lip and your chin. This mask, like I said, has that 4-point headgear, 2 parts up here, 2 parts that connect to the actual mask. That headgear can be tightened at any of those 4 points. We do suggest tightening the top and bottom, the top 2 together and then the bottom 2 together. So start with the top, go to the bottom, and tighten to a point that is comfortable. Do not over tighten, because then you can cause more leaks than you would necessarily if it was too loose even. This mask has that tube up option, which means that when you connect your mask to the tube, and any tube for any machine, the ends are universal. It'll just connect right here to the top. So that way, when you're laying in bed, the tubing sits behind your head and you can toss and turn as you need to, and the tubing is behind you and not in front of your face. The other really great benefit of this hybrid full face mask is that while you've got it on, you can wear your glasses while you're chilling in bed, you know, reading or watching TV, or just going about the rest of your day until you go to sleep, because it is not over the bridge of your nose there. To disconnect the tubing, there are 2 options. If you're just getting up in the middle of the night to use the restroom or, you know, get a drink or a snack, what you can do, just unclasp this quick release at the top. Then when you come back, you'll just pinch it and put it back on. When you're done with it for the day, you can just go ahead and pop it like so to release that tubing from the mask system. To clean the mask, you'll wash this cushion daily with dial antibacterial hand soap, or if you have skin sensitivities, you can use non-scented baby shampoo that's a little gentler. Again, this will get washed daily. You want to make sure that you are rubbing it between your hands to make sure you are getting that oil from your skin or any debris left over off, so that way you get a good seal when you go back to bed the next night. Again, that is washed daily, but the rest of the mask is washed weekly. So when you on a Saturday are, you know, up and ready for the day, you'll take all of your supplies and you'll soak them in that warm soapy water. You can use the same soap that you use when you wash your cushion for the rest of your frame system and headgear. Then you'll just let everything dry out. You might want to hang this tube up option just so that way the silicone can drain out those water droplets that might remain. And then when you are ready to go to bed at night, you'll just reconnect everything and then you're good to go.